Good afternoon, guys. This is Sam, and I wanted to cover the latest additions that have been added to the club here in October. And just today, a huge one came forth in AppsKit Kit Pro, which is right here. There's only 10 commercial licenses available. These were really, really expensive. I checked out this offer, and it came from the guy who sells Mintware, which we have most of his products in the club, including EverZippy, Meet Zippy, HQ Webinar, X Funnels, which are all really good products. They're coming into development. The guy does tend to launch things a bit early, but he's got a huge team now and a growing business over in India, and he's doing a great job. He's one of the good guys on the internet that actually follows through what he says he's going to do. Now, AppsKit Pro, for anybody who's doing any sort of or wants to do any sort of local marketing or build mobile apps for somebody, this is a really, really cool offer. I'm telling you, though, it's going to be gone. The founding positions for the club are almost gone. And I imagine these 10 commercial licenses are going to be gone pretty quickly because this is a really big opportunity. People that are doing apps have already, with AppsKit Pro, are already in the first few days out there creating and making apps for businesses. It's drop dead easy to use and allows you to make a professional looking app for any business out there. And you're going to get a commercial license to this, which is, if we jump over to the page here, let me get over here. Where was I? Oops, sorry about that, guys. Let's jump down here. You can go through the sales page if you want. When you jump on the site, this is how I got over here. And I had already looked at this before. I was hoping Carl was going to add this. It's a pretty cool app developing program. He teamed up with a guy from Germany. This guy lives in Germany, and they met at a convention and started talking about this, and they've put together this product to create a really awesome apps. And we all know that apps are huge in mobile. So even if you're not doing a mobile business, but you want to have something that will allow you to do some local marketing, then this would be a great option to get involved with. And we've added this to the club. When you get down here, I mean, you can start seeing all the different possibilities of what you can do with this. You're welcome to look at it. I'm not going to go over all this with you. I'm just showing you a few points and things you can do. But this is a new addition to the club, and if you were to go buy this right now, today, it gives a nice comparison, too, of what other products and platforms are out there. If you were to go out there and buy this right now, you would be spending on a commercial license $97. And that's still awesome. It's a great deal because you could turn around and flip an app for $497 all day long. So it's another great addition to the club that we've added. So that's been added. Reputation Power, I haven't looked over too much yet, but he just added that in as well. Influencers Hub, we got the front end and pro version. This is a way to find influencers in your market. And this here is probably, I think it was around total $140, $150 if you were to buy the front end and pro version. You're welcome to check it out by going to the sales page. And please don't quote me on the prices on that one. Content Kaboom. This is a great program to add content and pull in content from high authority sites and news sources. And what Carl did, he bought all the upsells to him, so we get the complete maximum access to this product. This alone's $134. If you were to add up just these 4 products, and you can see using them in your business, you're talking already somewhere in the $300 to $400 ballpark. With these few products here. Now this comes with a developer license that Carl bought, and you can put that and install that on your website for you. I've checked out Influencer Hub. I've been in the back end. Interesting product. I haven't had time to utilize it yet, but I did go through a couple of the videos and see what it does, and it's pretty interesting. These were a few more that he added as well, along with, guys, all the products. One of my favorites I'm really becoming fond of is Max Funnels that I'm using, and X Funnels. The guy who created this, created AppsKit Pro that we were just on. I go up here. I want to show you this guy. He's a pretty neat guy. Where was he? I know his picture is here somewhere. Right here. Madhav Duda, he is a developer, and he has. Let me jump into his forum. There we go. Mintware. Oops. Let me just jump in. I want to show you. He's very active. Really like the guy. He's worked hard at developing his products. He's very, very super active in here. Matter of fact, he just did on a, where is it? I'm trying to think here. He just some of the products he has includes EverZippy, XFunnels. He just did an update on XFunnels, which is a they keep developing his products. He keeps adding them things to him. He just talked about XFunnels, which I was at first when I used it a few months ago. It still needed some work, but it's getting better and better. And he's now added a form builder into it. And he's also adding, it's already got a lead generation system built into it, so you can utilize the in-house autorespond. Well, it's not quite an autoresponder yet, but he mentioned in the webinar, he's actually building an autoresponder into that as well. These are all things when you're looking at the club that you're going to get. All his products are in here. He's also the developer here of AppsKit Pro, and awesome. It's just, all of this just freaks me out, guys. It really gives us an advantage, and I'm telling you that these are going to go bye-bye pretty soon. The option to get into this club at the price point that we're at is going bye-bye. You can see, I mean, this Adverse Suite is just awesome too. It's one of my products I'm using to help design and do. And there's EverZippy right there. This was about a $134 purchase that came in last month. This is a cool link building program to do up to 300 automations and 10 URLs per month to build links back to your site. I mean, guys, you really can't go wrong here. And I'm going to actually do another one very soon, another video to follow up on this, because what I want to show you is, let me jump over here. Actually, I want to show you the price real quick. Kind of jumping all over the place. Sorry, I'm just so excited. These are all the products in the club, guys. I mean, they're just pages of it. These price points at $3.99 a year or $37 a month are going to go away, and they're very close to that point. People are signing up, and the reason, and you can say, yeah, I'll be there next week. I'm not going to tell you it's going to be there next week, because it may very well not be. And it's not a false scarcity like you see in so much of this online. It's actually for real. Because what happens is, let's take the look at the Adverse Suite. Okay, when he bought this, he bought reseller licenses where he got 20 of them. When those 20 are gone, this product's no longer available at all. It's just not, it can't be. So you're going to see when you're on the sales page here, founding members only, founding members only. There's only so many licenses he has, and I believe that's the case here too. There's only 10 licenses. If you go to, let me pull that up. We're going to take a look at the reseller licenses and why this isn't false scarcity, okay? I wouldn't be involved in any kind of BS anyway. Let's get that off there. Okay, I want to go down here and show you. Okay. So for Carl to pick up the 10 pro agency reseller accounts was $197 on top of his purchase of $97 up front. So you can see that these reseller licenses, there's only a certain number of them. There's 100 here, 30 here, but what Carl did, he went ahead and picked up 10 of them. So that's what we got. We got 10 commercial app licenses. This gives you the ability to go out and resell them to businesses. I don't know if you know how huge that is as an opportunity. I'm going to get involved in that and see if there's an opportunity when I'm out and about talking to business owners, out having dinner or whatever, if they're interested in an app. And I can come in and design them one very quickly and charge them a hefty price for it. You know, I'm going to wait till the wash comes out, so to speak, with this and pay attention to this launch and see how people do before I go out there and do that. But it sounds like this product's pretty polished and people are happy with it and already making and creating and selling applications. So there's another reason, guys, to get into this club, and this talks about the founders club aspect. I talked about this in the email, but this also is going to give you the availability to resell this product. Now, I don't know about you, but I've bought thousands of dollars in softwares over my days. Those days are over. Everything I need is in here. The products in here are fabulous. Not every single one of them. Come on, let's be real. There's some stuff that's always going to be just marginal in the internet marketing releases. But there's stuff in here that is just gold mines and gold mines for your business that have huge value. Like this right here, Zoya, is a $29 a month value. This allows you to put a voice or video screen recording application in the corner of your website that people can leave a voicemail or a video right on the website itself, which I'm going to be adding to my website soon. So, and that's $29 a month right there. Here's a heat map tracker. This is a $37 a month value, and you can actually use it for clients if you have clients. So even if you're not doing digital marketing, if you're doing local marketing, I mean, both of these right here, but there's a whole section for local marketing as well that has all sorts of tools in here for local marketing, which is just awesome. So guys, I'm getting this email out to you and letting you know, if you wait, you're going to be disappointed. You're not going to get access to everything you see here. It's a really, really great opportunity, even if you're just using this for your own personal stuff. And if you have any sort of business connections on the outside and or people that you connect with, and you can build them an app or do something like that and make some money on the side, all the power to you, man. Everything we ever need in our business is here. I'm going to leave this on one last note. I want to show you something really quick because I started talking about this. I'll talk about this one real quick. This is Mail Engage. This program is part of what's called traffic, or the Cyril Jeet. Okay, Cyril Gumta. He makes Jeet products, Jeet, and he runs Techniforce is the name of it. He's been around for about 8 years. He's another one of the good guys. He makes great products, and this is another one that he's built that allows us to build in. And I'll tell you how I'm using this. I'm going to give you a big trick. You can utilize MailChimp as a subscription, because the good thing about MailChimp is they give you a free account, and it allows you to put really nice forms, and it ties in. The nice thing about MailChimp, it pretty much ties in with every application that's inside the club, or every application you may be using. MailChimp has APIs that tie in with it. How I use MailChimp is I grab the person's email and then I download it and upload it into here, just like you guys did when you came off the front end of this website. Okay, I'm going to open up here real quick, show you. Okay, some of you came in, actually all of you came in through here on my opt-in form, and then when I looked at the site. Now, I downloaded those. That went to MailChimp, and then I downloaded those and added them into Mail Engine. Mail Engine is a plugin that utilizes Google's Gmail API, and there's a very simple tutorial on how to set that up. That pretty much guarantees delivery to the inbox, which is a huge problem today, because when you go to inboxes, there is so much that is going into promotional folders that's never going to be seen. People aren't seeing it. That misses out on the primary box. So this allows the Mail Engage is a plugin that does some really cool stuff. It will spin your text if you have it formatted, and it will spin URLs as well. So when it hits the Google server, it doesn't appear to be the same email going out, because what is happening is the ISPs are catching same text, same link. If you send out 1,000 emails and with the same link in it, with the same text in it, some of the ISPs now are automatically saying, oh, that's promotion, into the promotional folder it goes. Oh, that's promotion. So this helps get around that and get your email into the inbox. You can see all the stuff it does here. Very, very cool. One last thing, and I'm out of here. This turned into a long video. WP Toolkit is a plugin that is not even on the invitation page. Okay, and what this is it's a developer plugin that can be installed on your site through the club. That's going to give you access to a lot of premier plugins and themes. Just to name a few, okay, that are in here is mind-bending. WP Rocket is a plugin that is awesome for speed. Now I'm going to just spin through these. I can go on. Actually, I'm going to put it this way so I can go faster. But these are all, mostly all premium WordPress plugins that you can install as needed. Obviously, you're not going to install all these. You'd kill your website and it wouldn't work. But there's things in here. The easy digital download, membership plugins. It just goes on. A lot of the Thrive plugins. A lot of high-end stuff. Yoast SEO is in here. WP Cache. I mean, look at this. Gravity Forms, all the premier stuff for Gravity Forms. Learn Dash is in here. iThemes is in here. If you know WordPress at all, you're getting what I'm talking about here. Membership plugins, membership to Pro. It just goes on. Ninja Forms. Oh, man. It's really a gold mine. Probably a total of about, I don't know, probably $20,000 worth of themes and plugins in here. And just spin down at high speed here. Let's see if I can get to a couple I wanted to show you. WP Forms, another premier plugin. So there's the Rocket. WP Rocket is in here. Live Chat Premium. WP Toolkit. Yoast SEO Premium. Yoast SEO Video. These are all built in here, guys. So that alone, and that's just the plugins one. I'm not even covering the themes one. Let's go back here, and there's WooCommerce premium plugins in here. There's also premium themes in here as well. You can just go through and take a look. I mean, I'll spin through this pretty quick, but just a boatload of themes in here too. All the builder themes are in here. iThemes are all in here. On and on and on it goes. Generate Press, which is a great premium theme, is in here. Matter of fact, this site is built on the Generate Press theme, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Let me see if I can go here. Where is it? Oh, nope, I'm using Thrive. Oh, no, I'm using Thrive in here, but Generate Press is in here too. And with Generate Press, you've got all the aspects of Generate Press are built into here too, including the site library, which gives you a lot of the premium themes right here. So it just goes on and on, guys. The value in here is insane. So I hope this found you well. I'm gonna get off here for now. Get over to the club. The link's in the email. Get over here and get access to this before it's gone. This alone, okay, is $197. I mean, a $97 value for you right there. That will allow you to go out and make money and make apps for businesses if you choose to. And that's just one thing. Your hosting's in here. There's two different variations of hosting. That is fine. I'm utilizing that. I was spending $37 a month in all my hosting. I've moved that all out of here because in the second month he gets you access to additional hosting, which is his hosting right here, which is fine. The win-win only site is on that hosting. It's working great. And then he's got another hosting account. Where is it? See if I can find it. I should use Control F here. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, right here. You're going to get free SL certificates and 10 gig of cloud hosting. So you can add, a bunch, 4 different websites on there. And then with his hosting, you can add another 4 websites. So that's 8 websites right there. Pretty much takes care of all your hosting for life. So another built-in benefit here. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you get a lot of value out of it. I hope you see the value in the club and that you don't make the mistake and miss out on this because it's really a phenomenal opportunity, whether you're doing local marketing or you're doing online marketing. The chat bots in here. This is an incredible chat bot that I think is it's going to a $97 a month aspect. This here's another probably $197 value there. It just goes on and on, guys. I look forward to you getting in the club. Don't miss out on this. You're going to kick yourself if you do. All right, thanks.